The waterfall that I just returned from is called Tokotee Falls. I'm planning to visit Watson, Clearwater, maybe one more on my way back to Crater today. That interesting large pipe with the little cedar staves inserted in a little, minor fissures in the metal where water was spurting, that is a circa 1945 post-World War II hydroelectric project. And this is the intake area. I guess this is a man-made site. It's called Tokotee Lake. And there's a number of natural lakes, of course. This is Oregon, very beautiful, lush, and green state. But this one happens to be man-made from what I gathered reading the signs. And that 12-foot diameter pipeline that you saw leads down to below Tokotee Falls to a little hydroelectric generating station, which is kind of interesting. I think of this area as more lush, untouched. I wish I could have taken a video for you of the hot springs, but I'm afraid it was a bit too damp and I didn't want my phone to encounter any untoward moisture and, give itself a little fit. So I left it in the car, but it's so lush and green. Anyway, this little Tokotee Lake is one of the rec areas that we now enjoy in the area. There's also Lamolo, which is a good kayaking destination and a place that I hope to visit with coworkers next month. So I'm gonna fix myself a snack and then check out another waterfall. On the way to Watson Falls, the highest waterfall in the state of Oregon. Here's the trail up. There it is, almost there. Of Watson Falls is truly massive. Let's see, there's no way to get this into scale. It is huge. Actually above the waterfall right now. We got a little break in the rain, which is nice. It's been raining on and off all day. That's okay. It's probably 60 degrees, so not uncomfortable. I do have a rain jacket. It's actually sprinkling a little bit right now. Very harmonious. Here at Clearwater Falls, the river tumbles over one of the most recent lava flows to have coursed down this glacial valley floor. This blocky flow stems from Mount Bailey, a volcano fringing the western shoreline of Diamond Lake. Underfoot is a layer-caked succession of youthful, high cascade lava flows that forms a volcanic pile several thousand feet thick. Groundwater percolates through countless interconnecting cracks and fissures within this vast bedrock labyrinth. perhaps for as long as several years, before emerging further down the valley floor as seeps and springs. Forming a huge underground aquifer, the fresh lava filters impurities and regulates subterranean flow. The underlying lava is credited for the outstanding and remarkable water quality characteristic of the northern Umpqua River, including its clarity, coldness, and sustained base flow throughout the droughty summer months. Together, these attributes provide favorable habitat for the river to support annual runs of anadromous or seafaring fish and make the North Umpqua River a world-class fishery. Ooh, mosses of Clearwater Falls. That's cool.